Hi. So the best way to keep up with your due dates for this class and when assignments are due is to refer to the Blackboard course calendar. Let me move my picture over here. So this is what it looks like when you go into your Blackboard page, and this little icon right here is the course calendar icon. If you click on it and look at probably the month view, and since this class starts in January, let's go to January. And if you slide down, you'll see right on the calendar, it shows you the due dates for all the assignments for the month. And what you'll notice is that we basically have things due on Wednesdays, Sundays, and Fridays. All of the pre-class activities in general are due on Wednesday, and those are the ones that you won't get credit for if you do them late, but you should do them anyway to learn. And then what's due generally on Sundays are your Check Your Understanding assignments and your class note assignment. So this calendar, which can be found again by clicking on this calendar icon, is a nice way to keep track of what assignments are due. What's also nice about this calendar is not only does it just show you the assignments, but if you click on one of these, it'll take you, click again here, it should take you right to the assignment, so you don't have to go back into Blackboard and see it. You just click on View Assessment, and there's that Activity 2 quiz, which is due. Also, when you click on one particular day, you can see the whole day, and you say this says 3 items due, so you know there's 3 things. If you click on any one of those, I think I've already showed you that it'll take you right to the assignment. If you just want to view the assignment for there. Okay, that's how the course calendar works.